Welcome to Standard First. Dear children, today let us learn the meaning of two words. Okay? Only we will try to understand the meaning of two words, that is small, and the second word is big. Right? You can see the two pictures here. They tell us one is small and one is big. Okay? We will try to understand these two words today. Only that much we will do today. Okay? Because this is our first day. Isn't it? See, dear children, here this is your maths textbook. Right? This is our front page of maths textbook. Right? You are in standard 1, correct? And our textbook has a bright and colorful page. Correct? You can see a balloon man with so many balloons of different colors. Here we can see two children, a girl and a boy. Girl has a toy in her hand and boy is buying a balloon, isn't it? Here also in the stand we can see so many toys. Yes, dear children, in maths we are going to play games. We are not going to study. Only by playing games we will understand some concepts which are very useful in our life. Okay? And see this. This is our back page of maths textbook. Here also we can see two kids, a boy and a girl. Both are playing, isn't it? They are flying the kite. Here we can see two more puppies. They are also enjoying with these two kids. Means in maths we are going to play different games, and by that games we are going to learn some new words, some new concepts. Got this? So maths is nothing but playing games. Okay? Shall we proceed to our first game? See here, this is a mouse, matlab chua, isn't it? And see this is a elephant, hathi, right? Yes, dear children, today we are going to understand the two words, that is big and small, correct? So please compare the sizes. Who is elephant? See the size of the elephant and compare it with the size of the mouse. See, this elephant is big. B-I-G. Big. Matlab bada. See that, so big elephant, isn't it? Compared to this mouse. And what is the size of mouse? It is very tiny, or we can say this is small. See the spelling, S-M-A-L-L, small. Remember, big matlab bada and small matlab chota. Small in size मतलब छोटा है, बहुत छोटा है, and big in size means बड़ा है. Okay, got this? Here the boy is showing a big picture. Yes, dear children, here the boy is widened his hands on both the sides, and he is telling us the object he has seen is big. Right? जब भी हम लोग बड़ा कुछ देखते हैं तो हाथ कैसे करते हैं, ऐसा स्प्रेड करते हैं दोनों साइड में, लाइक दिस एक बॉय ने किया है, राइट। उस ऐसा दिखाते हैं हम लोग, कभी बड़ा चीज को हम लोग अपने हैंड्स स्प्रेड करके वाइड करके दिखाते हैं कि दैट इज बिग, isn't it? Now when we want to tell something is small, here this boy is showing the object is small, like this हम लोग उंगली नजदीक लाके बताते हैं कि छोटा है, स्मॉल है, राइट। बिग मीन्स बड़ा, स्मॉल मीन्स छोटा, ओके। Now dear children, here 2 strawberries we can see, right? Now what is written here? Put right mark in the box below the bigger fruit. Okay, 2 strawberries are there. What we have to do? Here we can see 2 boxes, correct? Now here we have to put right mark in the box of the bigger fruit. अभी हम लोगों को दोनों फ्रूट को कंपेयर करना है। हम लोगों को क्या करना है अभी? टिक मार्क करना है। कौन से भी एक बॉक्स में टिक मार्क करना है, बट कौन सा बॉक्स में? या बिगर फ्रूट के बॉक्स में। यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ बिग, राइट? बिग मीन्स बड़ा। So which is the bigger one here? Right, very good. This is the bigger one. So we will tick mark in this box. And dear children, see here bigger. हम लोगों ने big का इधर bigger कर दिया। क्यों? Because हम इन दोनों में से कौन सा बड़ा है वो सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, right? कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं, एक बड़ा है एक छोटा है, सो बिग का इधर बिगर बन जाता है। गॉट दिस? नाउ विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन। सी अगेन, पुट राइट मार्क इन द बॉक्स बिलो द बिगर डॉग। हियर वी कैन सी 2 dogs. Yes, one is big dog, one is small in size. Correct? Again we have to put right mark in the box below the bigger dog. Yes, which one? Is this or is this? Yes, you are right. This is the bigger dog. So we will tick mark in this box. Very good. Next is, again we can see 2 pictures of flowers. Okay, now please read this. Put right mark in the box below the smaller flower. Okay, here also we can see one is small and one is big, isn't it? We have to put right mark in the box of the smaller flower. Yes, please observe the size. One is small and one is big. Now we have to put right mark in small flower. Yes, very good. This is the smaller one. Correct? So we will put tick mark here. Correct? Next, put right mark in the box below the smaller tree. Here we can see 2 trees. Only thing is to observe the trees and we have to decide which is the small one and which is the big one or larger one. Yes, very good. This is small one and this is big one. Correct? Now where to tick mark? In the box under the smaller tree, isn't it? So here this is our smaller tree, so we will tick mark here. Correct? Yes, correct. Got this, children? I hope you understood about the meaning of small and big. Right? See the next one. Your pets. Correct? You like cat also, you like monkey also, isn't it? Okay. Now see here. Color the box. See, this is a little different. Color the box below the bigger animal. Okay, two animals we can see, cat and monkey. Now which is small and which is big in size? Very good. Cat is small and monkey is big in size compared to this cat, isn't it? And here it is written, color the box. Two boxes we can see here down, right? Now color the box below the bigger animal. This is our big animal, correct? Now we have to color this box. Come on, let us color this box by orange. Got this, children? Yes. We'll move to the next one. See this. Color the box below the bigger vehicle. Here we can see two vehicles. You know this. This is called truck or container. Right? I hope you have seen this on the road. This is called container. And this is your favorite one, that is auto rickshaw. Right? Now here we have to color the box which has bigger vehicle. Now this one is the bigger vehicle, right? Container is big compared to auto rickshaw, right? So we will color this box. Got? Okay, next is, here you can see a small pot and a big pot. Means we can see two pots here. We use these pots to collect drinking water. Correct? These have taps, isn't it, to take out the water. Now dear children, again here we have to color the box below the smaller pot. See, remember this, not bigger one. Here we have to color the box below the smaller pot. Yes, very good. This is smaller pot and this is bigger pot. Correct? So what we will do? We will color the box below the smaller pot. Nice. One more. Color the box below the smaller house. You know, house means ghar. Here we can see two houses. One is blue and white, it is painted, and the other one is orange and yellow colored. Isn't it? Please compare the size of the two houses. Yes, this is a big house, duplex, right? One above the other. Here this is a single house. Correct? Single floored. So this is smaller and this is bigger. Right? Now we have to color the box below the smaller house. Here we have to color. Right? Good. Now next thing is circle the smaller objects. Objects means बहुत सारे हैं. सर्कल द स्मॉलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स, छोटे छोटे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को हमको सर्कल करना है. सर्कल करना मीन्स राउंड करना है. ओके, नाउ हियर यू कैन सी 1 2 3 4 5 6 objects. This is a big fish, ant, chitty, this you know, ball, this is ship, jahaj, right? This is a piece of pencil and this is a spoon, teaspoon, right? Now we have to circle the smaller object, means हमको गोल राउंड करना है. Please tell me which are the smaller objects here. Yes, very good. Ant. चींटी बहुत छोटी रहती है, right? Here we can see the size of the ant compared to that fish, sheep and ball, right? The next smaller object is a piece of pencil. कितनी छोटी है पेंसिल, है ना? पेंसिल का टुकड़ा है, right? So it is small. And see one more thing, that is a spoon, चम्मच. वो भी बहुत छोटा है compared to fish, sheep and ball. Isn't it? Good. Now dear children, this is for you. This is home assignment. This is on page number 1 of your maths textbook. See the page. Okay. Now here you can see 2 clocks. One is small and one is big. Now what is asked here? Color the box below the smaller clock. You know which is small and which is big. Small मतलब छोटा, big मतलब बड़ा. ये आपको पता है, right? Now you have to color. You have the colors, isn't it? You have to color the box below the clock which is having smaller clock. Okay. Next one is 2 vehicles. You can see here school bus and a car. Here also color the box below the bigger vehicle. Big. You know the meaning of big, correct? You have to select the bigger vehicle among these two and you have to color the box. Okay. Next is, here you can see 2 vessels, right? And you have to color the box below the smaller vessel. छोटा vessel के नीचे हमको color करना है. Got this? Last one, color the box below the bigger ball. Okay, 2 balls you can see here. One is small and one is big. I don't tell which is small and which is big because you know the answer. And you have to color the box below the bigger ball. Okay, this is homework for you. Okay. Thank you dear children. Please try to understand the word big and small by differentiating the objects in your house. Okay. Bye bye.